Hi, it's Joseph, and welcome back to the YouTube channel dedicated to San Miguel de Allende's secrets. In the descriptive box below, there are links to various websites if you like more information, including Amazon.com if you want to purchase any of the books in the best-selling series of San Miguel de Allende's secrets. Today we're going to talk about Jesus' doppelganger that you see around town during the holiday season. During the colonial times, the Spanish brought over the tradition of placing nativity figures that were full of symbols and different sizes to distinguish the importance of each. For example, in San Miguel de Allende's market, you'll find the important figures tend to be larger, especially those on a celestial plane like angels, than others that are earthbound. On the earth plane, there will be various animals and a diverse group of humans like the wise men and Adam and Eve. This cacophony of characters is used to tell the story of redemption and the birth and death of Jesus. For example, there is always a hermit who represents a man of prayer and faith, often tormented by the devil. Naturally, baby Jesus himself is often much bigger than the other figures to indicate that he is the largest and most important. Even his manger is seen as having only 3 sides to indicate that God's house, like open arms, are open to all. Sometimes there are 2 Jesuses at the manger, reflecting the ancient belief that Jesus had a twin brother. One child was divine, the other was ordinary human, representing heaven and earth, or God and man. The twin's name was Judas Didymus Thomas. Thomas means twins in Aramaic, as does Didymus in Greek. But why stop at only 2? During colonial times, when the nuns professed or joined the convent, it was the custom to give each gal a doll, or several doll children of Jesus, as a way to replace the children they were not going to have. The nuns cared for the dolls, dressing them in very elegant dresses, representing themselves as Jesus' earthbound mother. These dolls got passed down in families, or often individual family members preferred their own Jesus to take to church on Christmas Eve and Candelaria. Either way, it's not uncommon to come upon a household nativity with multiple Jesuses of various sizes. Also, Jesus is often portrayed with darker skin, as he was born for all, regardless of their skin color. As always, click the subscribe now button below and you'll get notifications of new videos as they come out almost daily here on the YouTube channel dedicated to San Miguel de Allende's secrets.